Laguna, umuulan. So I hope you're all safe and dry in your homes. And kung kailangan yung umalis, mag-ingat po tayo. Take precautionary measures po. Okay, let me share with you our topic for today. Isang napaka-importante pong topic to na kailangan po nating ma-appreciate kasi po this topic actually holds very dear to my heart kasi it talks about support beyond medication, di ba? So, but before I talk about that topic, let me share with you my story, a brief one. So, ako po, I started using Herbalife Nutrition actually when I was pregnant with my first child. That was in 2003. So, mga late 2002 until 2003 because that's the year I gave birth to my eldest. I've been using it for like as my prenatal supplements. And then of course afterwards, I use it for weight management. And then I had three children. So, ganun din po yung naging process ko. Inano ko po yung ginamit ko as prenatal, postnatal, and of course to lose weight. And then in my perimenopausal season, I also used yung mga Herbalife nutrition supplements to support that season of my life kasi doon ko nakita na yung pangangailangan at that season, yung kailangan ko yung nutrient support. At doon ko nakita sa Herbalife Nutrition na complete niya yung required nutrient needs ko during that season of my perimenopausal season. And ngayon po, I feel very grateful that I have that support from this company, World Class. Okay, the best in the world in its categories. And kaya ngayon po, in my nearly senior year, yan, I feel well. I don't have any maintenance medicines. My only maintenance is, of course, keep sustaining and maintaining my nutrition support from my favorite nutritional company, Herbalife Nutrition. Yan. So, by the way, before nakikita niyo dyan sa picture, before I started losing weight, I actually gained 20 kilos above my normal. And nahirapan po ako illusion kasi hindi po naging disciplined yung aking lifestyle. So I was eating poorly, I was not very active. But then when I learned about all of those things through yung nutrition community natin through the nutrition club, through the virtual nutrition community and the trainings and events offered by our companies. Na-lose ko po altogether is 40 pounds. And na-maintain ko lang naman po until mga like after 11 years na po from being consistent with that program that we have. So, makikita nyo, ni-emphasize ko ito yung support na binigay sa akin because that's the topic that we'll be looking at today. This topic is actually based from an article in herbalife.com po. It's called, the title is Support Beyond Medication. So today, what we'll do is we'll explore how yung support po beyond medication can strengthen our health journey. So I want to make it clear po from the very start na this is not about replacing po yung mga doctors natin or medicine. Okay, yung medical professionals natin remain very essential to our health. Okay? What we're going to talk about today is the added support, okay, that comes from nutrition awareness, and the power of community. So together, these can actually bring what? Renewal, resilience, and well-being in ways that complement po yung medical care. Yan. So ano ba yung essential role ng wellness coaches? Kasi when you talk about support beyond medication, you talk of other healthcare professionals. And a wellness coach belongs in that category, a healthcare professional. And yung mga roles po na yon are very foundation yun ng health natin eh. Kasi yung role po ng ano ng mga medical doctors natin, it's very essential in diagnosing, in treating, and guiding patients po. Napaka-critical po ng role na yan. But beyond po yung mga prescription, yung mga tayo po, yung mga tao po, okay, we need to actually have more, more than that. What we are looking for actually, di ba, is yung conversations about diet, yung exercise, and even yung lifestyle. Yan. So this is where yung wellness coaches can extend their influence by guiding people toward toward healthier choices without undermining po yung medical authority natin from our doctors. Okay, let's talk about nutrition awareness. Napaka-importante po ito ngayon sa modern world natin, sa generation natin, if I may say so. Why? Kasi po, we know that poor diet, okay, is actually a living driver po of yung mga chronic illnesses natin ngayon. Worldwide yan, hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas. And at the same time po, yung people, tayo po, we're flooded with so much information online, okay, that it even comes from unqualified sources. So, yung mga surveys po kay show that patients still trust yung mga wellness coaches, okay, when it comes to nutrition. Kasi may personal na communication 'di ba? So may credibility sila. 'Yon. And wag natin pong kalimutan yung mga sinishare po natin dito sa community natin sa Herbalife Nutrition. These are based po on evidence. So hindi lang tayo nagsishare na head knowledge. These are valid, evidence-based guidance na nakukuha natin also from doctors. Okay? So, kaya nakakatulong po ito para po mag-build ng strength sa atin, ng vitality, di ba, at resilience. Yun po yung ginagawa ng pagiging aware, okay, para po dun sa ating kalusugan. We speak to our wellness coaches trained, okay, backed by science. Okay, let's go to the next topic. Now, we also want to emphasize po yung power ng community. Okay? We are not meant to do life alone. So, being in a community, I think na-experience nyo naman if you go to a nutrition club and you are, constantly and consistently attending a virtual nutrition club. We are encouraged at nagkakaroon tayo ng accountability, lalo na sa mga wellness coach nyo. And isa pa doon, yung shared experiences natin. Okay, yung mga naririnig yung different stories, okay, from different coaches, mga different mga guests and members. Yung shared experiences na yun, nakaka-inspire ng lifestyle change. Ako, when I started listening to other people, kasi nakikita ko rin naman yung pagbabago sa kanila. Nakikita ko yung energy na that they exude, okay, because they're being nurtured in a nutrition club. Na-inspire ako doon. And think that yun yung yun yung naging encouragement ko, and nagkaroon ako ng focus to discipline myself, and that's why I lost my 40 pounds. Yan. Ang maganda pa sa ating community support is we use different platforms. So whatever you're using now. So now we're using the Facebook Live, where we're using Zoom. Okay, but meron po diyang mga wellness coaches. They use Messenger, WhatsApp, Viber, whatever. And then of course, let's not forget yung mga nutrition club operators natin in person. It makes such a big difference. So yung community natin, okay, spreads yung credible nutrition knowledge. As I mentioned po, itong lahat ng mga topics po na sinishare namin dito sa inyo, these are all based from articles from our doctors, from our dietary board. Yan. So let's go to the next slide. Now, ano ba yung mga practical approaches na kailangan nating makita when you join a community and when you speak or consult to your wellness coaches? You basically talk about nutrition in every conversation that you have. Okay? Tapos, like kami dito, di ba, when you listen to us, we provide simple and practical resources. May gumagamit din po tayo ng mga checklists. Meron tayong mga forms na ginagamit. May apps tayo na ginagamit. Tsaka yung mga websites natin, these are credible. Why? Because yung mga websites po natin, galing din po rin, review yan at maintain po yun ng mga doctors din natin. And what else? I think what it does really well is it builds and guides supportive groups. So even if it's a big community, kasi our Herbalife Nutrition community is actually a worldwide community. So meron tayo sa bawat country, meron tayo sa bawat city, meron tayo sa bawat barangay. Yun po ang yun ang purpose po ng nutrition clubs natin. Kaya kung gusto niyo po ng support beyond medication, mag-join po kayo ng Herbalife Nutrition Community. Kasi ito pong, itong article na to, this is based on a survey po, okay, in the Philippines, na sinasabi na ito yung pangangailangan ngayon ng mga tao. Yan. So let's go to the next topic po. Now, one of the things that I really appreciate and admire about being a wellness coach in Herbalife Nutrition is we are also encouraged to care for ourselves so that we can care for others. So yung mga wellness coaches po, must prioritize actually their own wellness kasi yung role modeling matter. So kaway-kaway po ako dyan sa mga fellow wellness coaches ko. We are role models, okay? And yung nutrition and community are sources of energy that we can also um get so that we can be well. Yan. So, I think that ends my short topic for today. We're ending very early, but I'd really like to thank you, everyone who is joining us today, and not only today, but almost every day, sa lahat ng mga activities